Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain what is the article tag in HTML5. See, what is the article tag means? For example, I am having the two courses like front end and back end. So in the front end, I am using the courses like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Angular. Now in the backend courses, I am using the like Java, Spring Boot and microservices. See, I need to write some articles on front-end course and backend course. Then you can use the article tag. I will show you with simple example, then you can understand. So for that, I am taking one file for article tag. So I am creating article.html file here. See here the file is created. Now I am taking HTML, then header part. In the header part title I am taking like some article tag like that I am taking. Now body tag I am taking. So I am having the two courses, right? Front end and back end. So I need to group these two courses. So for that I am taking section tag. So the first section tag is for front end courses and the second section tag is for back end courses. Okay. So in the first section tag I am taking the heading like front end courses. Okay. Now in the second tag I am taking the heading like backend courses. Now, in the front end courses, I need to write some articles on HTML, CSS, Angular like that. So, for that, I am taking one article tag. So, first I am writing the article on HTML. So, for the HTML, I am taking the H3 heading. Here the heading is HTML. Now, for the article, I am taking paragraph. Here I am using this some dummy text. Okay. So for the dummy text, you can use the lorem ipsum. Now I am taking the one more article here. So in the second article, I am taking the H3 tag like here CSS like that I am taking. Now here the article I am writing with the help of lorem. So this is just for dummy text. You can write your own article here. Now I am creating one more article. So here Angular I am taking. Okay. Now for article I am taking paragraph. Just you can write some articles about Angular. So this is for front end courses. Now you can write for back end courses also. So for that I am taking article here in the second section. So the first thing is Java like that I am taking. Now paragraph lorem ipsum. Now we can take two more articles on backend. So in the second article I am taking heading like Spring Boot like that I am taking. So we can write article here also. Now I am taking the third article like microservices. So in the front end, I added 3 articles. In back end also I added 3 articles. Okay. So here I am taking microservices like that I am taking. Now here I am taking one paragraph text for article. Says okay. So this is the article tag. I am just saving my file. We'll see the browser. This is without CSS. Later we will apply CSS also for this. So I saved my file. So we'll see the browser once. I am just opening my file with the Google Chrome. Just right click on that, then open with Google Chrome. Okay. See, we'll see the browser once. See, here the articles is created. So in the front end courses, 3 articles I am having HTML, CSS, Angular. Now in the back end, Java, Spring Boot and microservices. Now we'll apply CSS. So for the CSS, I am taking the style tag in the header part. So this is the internal style. Na? Okay. See, first I am taking CSS for this section tag. Okay. In the section tag, so first I am creating the border for 2 sections. One px solid red like that I am taking. So we'll see the border will be created for 2 section tags. Okay, so the first section tag and second section tag. I need gap for right, left, and top and bottom. So for that, I am taking the margin here. So margin 10 px like that I am taking. See, I just saved my file. We'll see the browser. The margin, the gap 10 px is created for left, right, and top and bottom. Okay. Now we'll apply some width also. I don't want 200% width for section tag, so I am just using the width like some 50% width. Okay. Now some background color also green like that I'm taking and saving my file. We'll see. See the background color yellow is created and width is 50% is created. Now I will apply CSS for this front end course and back end course headings is there now. So H2 tag. So for the H2 tag, like background color green, so the text color is white like that I'm taking, and text align it should be in center. Okay. Now I will apply some CSS for this article tag also. See here for the headings, the color is white is created and the text it is in middle now. Now we'll apply CSS for this article tag also. See, I am taking this background color brown. I am taking, and I need gap for 4 sides, left, right, and top and bottom. So I just saved my file. We'll see the browser once. Just refresh your browser once. See, for 3 articles, I'm getting the background color. So in the front end course, I'm getting the 3 articles, right? So I'm getting the 3 background colors for 3 articles. In back end also, 3 background colors for 3 articles. Okay. So this is the green color thing is there. Na? This is the section tag. So in the brown color thing is this is the article tag. If you want to write some articles on something, then blogs are, you need to write some comments on blogs, then you can use the article tags like that. So this is the article tag, guys. In the next video I will explain the forms and also I will explain what is the local storage and the session storage in HTML file. We'll meet you in next session. Thank you guys. Bye bye.